Hi everybody. I got a little workbench update. So I'm working on the Edwarda Hanriot HD1 and having a little problem with the paint. So I'm going to have to strip some of this. Not sure exactly how I'm going to do it. If you notice, let's see if it'll focus. Paint's bubbling. And I'm not entirely sure why. I'm using an acrylic primer. I'm using acrylic paint on the fuselage here, although I have been using some Tamiya paints, but that's been mostly on the fuselage, all the instrument panels and all that kind of stuff. Everything else, so I'm not quite sure what's going on with this. So without stripping everything that I've done, I have to figure out how I'm going to strip this acrylic paint using this. You'll notice the wing. I dropped this, so that's why that smudge is there. But at this point, I really don't care. I'm going to end up having to strip all this off. The wings will be easy to strip. I should just be able to throw those into little purple pond, strip the paint off of it. Even this wing is doing the same thing. Overall, so far, the build itself has been going very easy. It's been going together very, very well. I'll show you. I had masked off the front of this. Oops. What you call it's coming off there. I masked off the front, so you can see the cowling and the engine are actually looking pretty decent, which is why I don't want to strip. I don't want to drop the whole thing in there because I'll end up stripping everything off of it. So I don't want to do that. Yeah. Any ideas as to how to at least strip the body paint off or fuselage paint off of this without having to dip the entire thing? Well, that's it. That's all I got. A little bit of a workbench update. Not a very pleasant one. I hope everybody's doing well. I've picked up some new subscribers over the last week or so. Thank you very much. I hope you like the content here. Please follow along with my absolutely horrible modeling skills. You can see what a total screw up I am. And yeah, so that's where we're at. And thanks for all my long-term subscribers. I do appreciate it. I will talk to you all real soon. Everybody have a wonderful, wonderful weekend. Talk to you all soon. Bye.